Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar. Now type here cmd. Right click on it, select Run as Administrator. Now type. These commands are really important. You will get these commands in the description below. Just copy and paste on command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and type control panel. Now select network and internet, then network and sharing center, and click on your connections. Then select properties, select IPv4 and again click on properties. On this window you need to check this option, then click on OK and close this. Go to change adapter settings, right click on it and try to disable and enable your connection. Once done, now open troubleshoot settings, select all the troubleshooters. On this window, click on your internet connection and select run and try to troubleshoot the problem. Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar and click on open settings, select network and internet and then go to advanced network settings, click on network reset and select reset now. Once done, we need to restart our machine. Enter pin. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.